Okay, welcome back, guys. So this is going to be part 68 of our trading challenge. We started the account on $10,000 about 2 months ago, so we're at 40,500. So let's open up our analysis and go for the last 90 days. Yeah, so you can see this is our cumulative P&L. So we've had a pretty good run from March. I think that's when we started, back in March. So we had a pretty good run. Last 7 days made 4.8K and last 30 days made 10K. And yeah, I don't think there's any other YouTubers who actually share the P&L performance. So hopefully you guys appreciate this, because yeah, I know there's a lot of YouTubers and Twitter accounts and they just post you like winning trades, and that's meaningless. That's just giving you, I don't even know what that's giving you. It's just basically it's meaningless data. You can always have 1 or 2 good trades, but if the overall account is going down, then it's pretty pointless. So this is our most recent trades. So you can see, what time is it now? So it's 12 o'clock. I just shorted TIA. I just longed SCA, SNT, and FUSD. So these are the trades I entered. So at the moment, our biggest position is SCA. I have no idea what this coin does, if I'm honest. No idea. You can see we already made 2K in funding from SCA. And yeah, I do like the chart. I do like the chart. We are, yeah, a 4x from our account. At the moment, we have 45 positions, and about I'm just checking now. We've got 2x leverage on our whole balance, and our long exposure is about 17K. So we're very balanced. You can see we have an equal amount of longs and shorts. If you guys are interested, because I get messages in my trade process and how I enter trades and size them and hold them, that's going to be in the Telegram chat. So that's, I don't have time to, not even time, but I only post my trades on Telegram chat, and when I record these videos, it's more of a daily update. So I'm not going to force trades when there aren't any. And also, to access the Telegram, you have to use my referral link. That's a nice way for me to get paid for the content that I provide. But yeah, if anyone has any YouTubers or Twitter accounts that actually share their track like I do, please respond, because I want to check them out, because I haven't found anyone. So let's do a quick analysis on BTC. And these indicators as well, free to use if you're on my referral link trading actively. So you can see with the trend indicator, we're clearly in an uptrend for BTC. Clearly in an uptrend. We spoke about this level being a really good buying opportunity. Previous week's low, so at 102K. But then to be honest, really any pullbacks to the previous daily low is going to be a good buying opportunity. So you see these levels here. These are all the previous daily lows. So if price decides to go down here, this is a buying opportunity. So BTC, we're not going to overcomplicate. It's, yeah, I would say fundamentally, and it has fundamentally very strong, and the narrative is very strong. So it's the only coin you should really be longing. You got hype, which you guys already know about, because I posted pretty much every video. I do think it's getting to levels where it's not as attractive as it was, right? We've had a 2x run up from $10. It's a bit, I wouldn't say too late, but like everyone is already, you know, I would like to think a lot of people already had loads of opportunities to be buying here and here and here. So I think this is kind of the level to play. If we reclaim it, then it's probably good to go higher, just like we had here. We had this level deviation. But yeah, we want to be careful of situations, I guess, like this, where, like, I guess this is the line in the sand, but yeah, like where we just slowly do this, right? We want to avoid that in reality. So we're still in an uptrend, but if we do something like this, then yeah, probably this is gonna do a deeper pullback. And yeah, today, the main performance today, let's have a look. I think is it Avo? No, Aero, yeah. So this is one of the main performers today, or in the last few days. Definitely keeping an eye on Aero. Okay, top of my list. We have Say as well. So it's getting to a point where it's unsustainable, and you can see our indicator showing us that we are in a downtrend, right? So this is the previous week's high. So actually this could be a very, I'm not sure about the hit rate, but a very high risk to reward short. Just need to check funding rates if we do try and short Say. Yeah, funding rates are too negative to be shorting. So we'll probably blast through this. And then yeah, shitty coins, like we got DOT, that's just a nice natural shit hedge. TIA, Gala, these are all dog shit coins if you go on the 4-hour trend. Like it's pretty terrible. So you could have easily, like, for nice pair trades, you know, just long hype, short DOT. It's pretty good living. Yeah, it's pretty nice living. So that's the plan. I think with gold, you know my story. We're buying dips, still buying dips in gold. This is the level we really want, 3.292. But this is probably a decent level to add as well. So yeah, gold we want to be buying more of. I am not buying any more SPX or even US equities at these prices. I'm not bearish, but I just don't know what to do. And then yeah, I don't think so. We got hype, we got Aave, which is also really strong, and I would ignore TRX. I don't think there's anything else that's really worth longing. In terms of like narratives, really is just BTC, right, versus everything else, right? That's BTC versus DOT, for example, right? That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. So whenever alts rally, you want to just short them and long BTC. And yeah, we can look at the BTC DOM chart. We can see BTC DOM chart. Whenever we do something like this, just long BTC, short alts, take profit. That's on the, obviously on the hourly. On the 4-hour, you can wait for bigger pullbacks like this, or even bigger ones like this. So yeah, I think that's it. I will keep updating the progress of this account. It's yeah, I find it quite nice to just share all of this and monitor, and just upload my journey, what I'm doing, the ups and the downs. I'm not fully focused on this because I have a bunch of other shit that I'm doing. So I typically rebalance once every day, once every 3 days. once every 4 or 5 days. It really depends. And yeah, I think we should probably take more risks, or maybe even not. It's just we can see our P&L initially was quite volatile, and then now it's kind of slowed down. But that also could be a product of the market, which I think is I think the market is a little bit more boring. And yeah, ignore the equity trend. That's just the balance in my account across all of my accounts. So this is just me transferring funds out from one of my like spot accounts. So this is purely the account that we're trading on. This is the cumulative P&L of it. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this now. Hopefully you guys enjoy a nice weekend. I don't think there's anything really to be doing with the market. It's pretty boring. So learn when to take a break, learn when to put the gas on, and to risk up, size up. I think right now, probably not it. Probably not it. Okay, peace.